Welcome back, and for this lab we're going to be working on hardware. This first exercise we're going to create device files. So since we're working with hardware, it's probably best to make a snapshot before you go any further. So this way, if you make a mistake, you can just revert back. But for now, after you get your snapshot, log in a terminal as root, and then we are going to check terminal 6, Control Alt Control Alt F6, and there we go, is TTY6 over here. And we see everything's good with that. So everything's good. So I'm going to go back to terminal 7. And now we're going to manipulate something here. So first thing we're going to do is LSL. Dev /TTY6. So the dev folder is your device folder, and the device we are looking at now is your terminal 6. So we're going to remove it. Oops. So what do we got to do? Let's look at LSL. Cannot access. So it shows the file is removed. So let's go back and check out the terminal again. And let's see if we can log in. Can't even get a password prompt. Alright, so let's switch back to the terminal that we're doing the work from. Control Alt F7 in my case. And we're going to do alright, so mknod dev tty6 c46. Do an LSL, and it looks like we got the device file back. But at this point, and actually to log in, we're going to have to reboot. So we're going to do that once. Alright, now that we reboot it, let's go to terminal 6. And now we're able to log in again. So we recreated the device file successfully. Now we're doing LSL /dev /tty, put a question mark there, and there's the device files for all the terminals. Alright, so now we're going to use the find command to find everything under the device folder. So there are all our devices. Now we can pipe that to more or less so we can see them all. And Q to quit out. Now we're going to type u-s/dev, and this tells you how large the directory is in kilobytes. Now we're going to cat proc devices, pipe that to more. Looks like it starts at mem, and we got the block devices. So now we can see how that compares to finding everything in a dev directory. The device list in the devices file is broken down into basically two major sections: character devices and block devices, as we've seen here. And let me go back up to that. And character devices there, and block devices. Character devices don't require buffering, while block devices have a buffer available, allowing them to order requests before addressing them. And character devices can also send data with no pre-configured size, while block devices send and receive information in blocks of a size configured per device. Now I'm just going to reboot for good measure. I'm not root anymore. And that's on viewing and creating device files and deleting them too. When your terminal comes back up, just log in as root again, and we'll continue on. All right, for this exercise, we're going to just work with standard hard disk partition, and we'll just view some partition information using the Fdisk utility. We should be able to view stuff like disk usage, check for file system errors. We're just going to go just lightly touch on this right now. Later on, we will actually expand the partition using gparted. But for now, we're going to do login as root, do df, and make sure you have a snapshot, even though we're not going to do anything destructive right now. So df, and it gives you your device files, and my hard disk is dev SDA2. You might have something different. SCSI and SATA are dev SDA, so you have something SDA something you probably have. We're going to do Fdisk. And then my device file name, which is /dev/SDA2. All right. So we're not going to do too much here. We're not going to do any destructive stuff. We're in the Fdisk utility. It just says M for help. You do M, and there's a list of things we can do in Fdisk. Like P to print the partition table. You can just play around in here, take a look around. We're not going to do anything right now with it. Just want to show you that it's out there. So we'll do Q to quit when you're done. We can do a DF here to do the device file information again. And to be a better readout, we will do DF YSH to make it human readable. And you see how they read the numbers differently now. So you got to, it's just easier to read gigs and megs and kilobytes. So -H is human readable. And you'll use it a lot when you're probably checking out, your hard drive and see how much space you have left and what's consuming a lot of space. So that's all I wanted to touch base with now on Fdisk. Please subscribe to help support this channel so I can still maintain doing videos. Make sure you hit the bell for, get any new alerts for new videos that get put up. I got one coming shortly after this. I'll be doing on thumb drives, on mounting them and manipulating them. So thanks for watching.